They're banning books in Florida, writing bills in Texas. We see you.
Test drive ng Mobility Scooter Fixed Battery by Kits Piña. So kailangan lang niya pong i-drive test at suriin at kung kaano siya ka-komportable at ka-easy to manage or i-drive tong ating mobility scooter dito po sa kanilang subdivision sa may Sun Valley. Ang subdivision nila sir is ma-hams. Kaso lang yung hams, maganda yung pagka-hams nila, banayad. Hindi siya totally na may kanto. So iyan yung hams. Nakita nyo naman po kung gaano lang siya kaswabe na tumawid sa hams. Basta wag lang po yung hams na makanto or yung calso style na hams. Katulad nito sa kanila, banayad. Kaya goods na goods po yan at daling pong makatawid yan. Hindi po yan sasayad.